My name is Jeff Brewer, and I help 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs who have plateaued in their launch results to skyrocket their results to new heights by implementing launch hacks from the top marketers in the world. So when I came to Michelle, of course I thought I was great on video, but with her on-camera coaching, I quickly realized that I could be so much better. So I worked with her and I was able to increase my confidence, my energy, my clarity in making my videos amazing in the day-to-day short term, that when my product launch came, I could take the same strategies I learned and make these amazing long-form product launch videos that turned out great. So when I came to Michelle, I realized that I was good at video, but her next level strategies made me realize there are so many little things that can really make you great on video. Things like taking my confidence up to the next level, giving me more energy on camera, and being comfortable to make videos consistently every week and then take those videos to making your launch videos even better. So the way that all this has helped me take my business to the next level is it's given me the right process and system to consistently batch my videos and release weekly content on all of my social media channels that has helped grow my audience and is setting me up perfectly to have an amazing product launch for my new membership community online. What's different about Michelle is that she really cares. She cares about your business like it's her own. Michelle really has the experience that I was looking for, and she gets real results, whether you're just starting out in business or you're a multiple 7-figure business owner, through her video and online launching experience. You know, what I've realized is that it's really easy to sit on the sidelines and stay behind the scenes, but Michelle's really been the bridge to give me the courage and the confidence that I need to go all in on myself and launch my business in a big way. So if you're really serious about using video and online launches to explode your business in a big way and grow your brand, I highly recommend that you reach out to Michelle as soon as possible to get started working with her today.